Hey guys, today we are making these healthy ube cupcakes. It has a really beautiful purple color and is topped with a creamy coconut whipped cream. It is also vegan, gluten-free, and healthy. Please like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram and TikTok, link in the description. I post daily recipes on my social media that you won't want to miss out on. So first, preheat the oven and line your cupcake tins with cupcake liners. Make a flax egg by combining flaxmeal and water. If you are not vegan, skip this step and just add an egg later on. Set this aside to gel up while measuring the dry ingredients. Add oat flour to a large bowl. You can make your own oat flour by blending up oats in a blender until a fine powder. Next, add in stevia. You could also replace this with sugar or any sweetener of your choice. The measurements will be in the video. The brand of stevia I use is Sweet Leaf, and it is 8 times sweeter than sugar in volume. Next, add your salt to balance the sweetness, and mix this together until incorporated. Just make sure there are no more lumps of leaveners and stuff. So now let's talk about the ube. What is it? It is a purple root vegetable with a taste similar to sweet potato. You can get this at your nearest Asian grocery store. If you cannot find this, purple sweet potato will work just fine as well. Prior to this recipe, I roasted the ube in the oven until soft, peeled off the skin, then measured out the amount I wanted. Place this in the food processor, and why am I using the knife backwards? Okay, I finally figured it out. That took a while. Anyways, next add in sugar. I'm using both sugar and stevia because I wanted to reduce the amount of sugar in these cupcakes, but found that using only stevia produces a bad aftertaste. You could also substitute this with more stevia or another sweetener of your choice such as coconut sugar or monk fruit. Next, add in milk of choice, and add in vanilla extract, which enhances the flavor of these cupcakes. Add in your nut butter of choice. This is full of healthy fats and protein. I am using my homemade cashew butter because it has a more mild flavor which allows the ube to really shine through. Peanut butter would overpower the ube flavor. Also, add in your flax egg from earlier or a normal egg, I forgot to, and blend that up until smooth. This is optional. Add some purple food coloring to make the cupcakes extra purple. I'm using this gel food coloring, but any kind will work. And just blend that up until smooth. Add your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. And mix that together until well combined. This will form into a very thick batter. The batter may start to turn blue, I do not know why, but after baking it, it will turn back to purple. Divide the batter into your prepared pan. This will make 6 cupcakes, and you can double or even triple the recipe. Smooth out the tops by swirling the batter with some kind of stick, even your fingers. If you do not smooth them out, they will remain bumpy, so just keep that in mind, they will not flatten out. Bake these cupcakes until fully cooked through. Cool for 3 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely while we make the coconut whipped cream topping. So first, you are going to need coconut cream. To get this, place a can of coconut milk in the fridge overnight. Make sure you use full fat coconut milk or it will not create cream. And open it up. Scoop out the coconut cream, leaving behind the coconut water. And using a chilled bowl and whisk, whip it up until nice and fluffy, just like this. Add in some vanilla extract for flavor, and some stevia to sweeten it up. You could also use sugar or any granulated sweetener of choice. Just keep in mind coconut sugar will make it look darker. Just whip until combined and you're done with the coconut cream. Pipe this on top of your cupcakes. If they are too warm still, the cream will melt. Now you can enjoy. These have a really nice tropical flavor. The cupcakes are super moist and have a really beautiful purple color. The topping is really creamy yet light and fluffy and is so delicious. If you want to explore new flavors, this is the dessert to try. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.